Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for my retreat project that I am going to finish up. Like I said in the beginning of January, one of my goals was to be able to finish 3 projects, and this is my 3rd project. I don't think that I'm going to finish in January, but at least I can say that I am pretty well close to being done because I'm at least working on this, and this is for this particular month. This is the 2nd layout that I've done, and I don't have that many left to do because it is 8.5 by 11. It makes it super easy. They go by quick. It takes me like 30 minutes to do like one layout, and it takes me about an hour and a half to get 2 done, and that's with editing from my phone and then getting the photos done. This particular picture is of Harry getting married, and it's the kiss that everybody wanted and was sad at the same time, excited the fact that it isn't us with Harry. I guess I was partial to Harry, and I'm a huge Meghan Markle fan. I followed her in Suits. I followed her from day one. Ever since I came about her, I absolutely love her. She's one of my favorite actresses. I grew up with especially the brothers because they were born around the same time as I was. The age is the same, especially for the oldest one. I've always been partial to Harry. Why, I don't know, but I always was. And when I found that the wedding was going to be during the retreat, I was like, well, I guess on Saturday I will be definitely watching this first and then going down. I will let you know my daughter's hands and stuff makes an appearance, as she was in my craft room today and wanted to partake in what I'm doing. So you will see her pop in and out with her hands and doing some funky stuff and then telling me what I should be doing and all that kind of stuff. This is the 2nd video that I have done for this year in this project. And I think, like I said, I think I've got probably 5 more layouts, maybe 6 more layouts left to do, and then this project will be done because I have November's retreat photos to do, and I haven't even started that set because I wanted to get this one done first. I decided to challenge myself and do 8.5 by 11 for this and for the November retreat. Now, I will say that you will probably see me duplicate on some of the photos because I do want some 12 by 12s with them, but they will have all of the November retreat photos will go in the same one, so that when I pull it out, I'll be like, yep, I went to these 2 major retreats in 2018, and I am set up for 2019 here to go to the retreat as well in May. So in the month of January here, on around the 15th, I released my blog. So I would love if you guys would go check it out. It'll be linked down below. Check it out and tell me what you think. I have it set up to where you can get an email notification for every time that I upload to the blog, which then in turns that means I have uploaded to my YouTube channel. And I always link everything in my blog with the photos and everything along with the process video. So go check it out. Tell me what you think. Subscribe if you absolutely love it. And I hope that you guys will enjoy that as well. I am working on just embellishing. This tag that I'm working on right here has a spot that says destination, and I put down royal wedding and I circle the date, which was May 18th. May 18th? Yeah, May 18th is when they got married. So I put that down and get it all put in there. And of course, this is the first photo of them kissing in front of, you know, America and the world and all of that jazz, and I captured it. Oh, my daughter needed to show me her monster snowflake. And I do the Missy Wooden thing there too with the thread, and I had to do this first. So my title is going to be But First. And I think this, when I looked at the picture, it had the the time on it, and it said 8:05 Eastern Standard Time. So I'm thinking I probably didn't get down to the retreat on Saturday until probably 9:30. But I will, in my defense, there was other ladies watching it with me too, and we were critiquing the whole wedding. Because not only did I get to watch the first wedding, I did get to watch the second one. I was very partial when these were born. The wedding, Diana's wedding was a little bit prior, but I was born in the 80s, so I am very partial to these two gentlemen. And of course I had to watch the weddings. I just had to, you know, you just have to. So essentially, getting back to this layout, I did do some clouds because I feel like this is a fairy tale, because now the royal family is complete. No one, I mean, you can get married into the family, the royal family, obviously, but I'm talking like the princes are now off the market. And so I was like, you know what? It was always a fairy tale that I was going to marry Harry. Why? I don't know. But we all had it. Come on now. We all know that we've had our fairy tale moments. Harry's was mine. Why? It was just lovely. I loved it. I loved, he's always had his ups and downs, and so did I growing up, and I still always will. But essentially I added some strawberries in there. I added a umbrella because, you know, the colors matched. Absolutely, it's kind of the replication of why I added the umbrella to this. Is kind of a cloudy day but a happy day, because it's kind of like that murky day of, man, he's now off the market and he's not my market per se. I mean, we can go with that, right? But I follow them. I follow everything on Instagram. I love watching them. I love the fact that I can't wait until their first baby is arriving here soon in April, May time frame. Maybe we'll see, maybe at this next retreat, because they never really released her due date. Maybe at this next retreat it'll be, maybe we'll see her coming out of the hospital at this retreat. I don't know. You know, it's just the point. I'll probably be documenting that one too once I find it. My title, it comes from the box of colors, which is this pink and teal color, because it matches. The alphas that I do have for this collection are black and bulky, and I didn't want to take from the whimsical feel of this one, so I dug into my stash and got these out. And my title, like I said, is But First, because I had to watch this first. Still shots and everything will be coming up for sure at the end. And then also make sure that you like and subscribe. I've got a busy February and a busy March. And follow on back through, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.